Hello and welcome to Rohit's Kitchen Garden. In this video, I will be showing you how to use liquid chemical fertilizers. Here I have a 5-liter watering can, and this is a salt-based NPK fertilizer. Salt-based fertilizers are highly soluble in water. This one has the proportions of NPK as 20-20-20. That is a high value. So I will mix 2.5 teaspoons of this in 5 liters of water. Once you add it, mix till you see no crystals in the can and water little lesser than usual because the solution is strong. I recommend using this once every month only if your plants are deficient of any nutrients. These solutions are very strong and can affect the properties of the soil.